Three things or party crap annoying things. Number one, when you had this gun, never shoot at any players. It's because look, if I shot someone will get angry at you and kill you. Number three, the most pranking thing you should never do. Number two, yeah, when you just shot this guy right here, he will shot you and die. We all no longer along with trying all things, but that's not a daily what I not. Number three, when you're over here on the top, you can see all things, and you can see when there's a people holding a gun. You can snipe them as many one. Subscribe guys if you like my doing things. Alright guys.